Hi guys, welcome to our review channel. In this video, we're going to check out some best products on the market. We've made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. For more information and updated pricing, please check out the description below.
EPAuto Drive Click Torque Durable Ratchet Head, made from hardened treated chrome vanadium steel alloy, CRV. Easy storage, a sturdy plastic storage case is included. Non-slip grip, knurled handle. Easy to read, high contrast and dual range scale. Accurate, pre-calibrated to plus or minus 4%. Accessories included, March 8th to 1/4, drive adapter, March 8th to 1/2, drive adapter and March 8th, drive extension bar. Simple. ACDelco ARM601-4, Advanced Technology, 14.8 to 147.5 ft-lbs foot-pounds torque range with LED flashing/vibration/buzzer alarm when torque is reached. Easy to read LCD display with measurements, kgcm, nm, nlb, ft-lb, multiple setting functions, torque, measurement, and peak and trace, mode settings. Torque setting range, 10% of max torque value. Measuring range, 14.8 to 147.5 ft-lbs. GearWrench 85077, Target Torque Alert, gives a warning as you approach the target torque, vibrating handle, buzzer, and solid LED light indicate when target is reached. 72-tooth ratchet mechanism with a 5 degrees swing arc allows you to turn fasteners in tight spaces. Handle and housing are oil and solvent resistant, protecting the tool from harmful agents and keeping your hands in place. 5 torque measuring. Tekton 24335, wrench emits a click that can be heard and felt when the preset value is reached. Permanently marked, high contrast dual range scale is easy to read, even in low light. Reversible ratchet head drives in both directions and measures torque in clockwise direction. Durable all-steel construction has no plastic parts to break or wear out. Ships pre-calibrated to +/4% accuracy and ready. CDI Torque 2503 MFRP. This CDI Torque 1/2 inch drive adjustable micrometer torque wrench has a dual scale that is calibrated in dual direction and has a positive lock with spring-loaded pull-down lock ring. This torque wrench is fast and easy to set as well as easy to read laser-marked scale. This wrench also features quick release buttons which provide good socket retention as well as easy socket.